Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am sitting on the chair and I am talking with you and I am making video. So I hope you are learning English good way and system way. I also learner and I am learning English and I have been learning English since 10 days ago and how I improve my English level and why I am why which I am improving my English. So I want to say something first. I wake up at same and I went to coaching. I reached and I tired so much. Sir told me, "Hey Khalid, what are you? What are you doing? You're not studying. Where are you? What are you thinking?" I I told my sir, I tired. He replied me, you didn't slept a night. I replied my sir, yes, I slept yesterday, but now why I am why I am so tired I don't know. He asked me, would you? He asked me, you are going, you can go home. I I answer myself, yes, I should go to home. And I came to house and I was thinking I didn't want I was thinking I don't want to make video today. Fear then I replied myself, why Khalid? Why you don't want to make a video? Why you don't practice English? Sometimes I think sometime I was thinking. I replied myself, no, I am making video and my English journey is day 10 and I this time I am telling you which I improve my English level, how I improve my English level. So I was not able to speak front of you and front of camera and I was not able I was not make I was not able to make long sentence. You can see I am making long sentence and I am describing my past, my future goal, my present, whatever. And I am making video front of you. I know I I am weak in the past tense, but I am improving my English level and I am improving my knowledge about English. And how I practice English every day and why I am making video. So I already told him, but फिर भी today I am telling you how I practice English. So I follow five golden rule. First, listen to English. Listen to English song because I love it. I love it. Listen to English song. I love to. I listen to Believer song. You know, Believer song is so energetic song. And I listen to podcasts in English. I always follow Himesh Madan. And second, second golden rule, I read. I read a book and I read an article. I read copies and I I I always read this book. The book is Mass Study, Mass Spoken English book. This publication by this publication by Kamlesh Yadav sir. And third, I watch two movie in English. I watch two movie in cartoon. I I use to Instagram. I use through I scrolling Instagram reels in English. And fourth, I write in English. How I practice English. What are you doing? What do you want in life? And where are you? And where were went you yesterday? I write about my family. I write all the situation. Five, I am making video front of you. You can see I have been making videos since 10 days and I am improving my English level. I know. But one day my friends were came to me and he told me, "Hey Khalid, you are good well." But I know I am not good well. I want to speak fluency. So I should follow schedule. I I make schedule, but sometimes I didn't follow schedule. But now I am able to speak English and I am telling something. Why I am making video. So I already told you I wanted to become a content creation. So one day one day I I sat on the roadside and I was thinking how I become a content creation, how I speak English fluently. So I suddenly realized, hey, you are speak English and you you upload on YouTube. You you both you become a content creation and you become a speaker fluently. So right now I am making video front of you and I will be upload. No, I will no. I upload at 8 p.m. daily on YouTube. I know I don't. I know this time I am. I have no confidence, but I am talking with you, and I will promise you I will be go there tomorrow, and I will be make video among. I will be make video among the people, and I will be not afraid to. I will be not scared about people. Why I am? Why I am? Why I will be scared people? I will not be scared people. So thank you so much. And you tell me in the comment how I improve my English level and you tell me You tell me, have I improving my English level since 10 days? Please tell me in the comment. And okay, bye. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Love you.